to sets of numbers. For example, the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and you can write these numbers as n, natural numbers. Whole numbers are natural numbers, but you start counting at 0. And whole numbers can be written with W. So numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on belong to the set of whole numbers, and they're written as W. Natural numbers again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. W includes 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now we can also have another set of numbers called integers written as Z. These include negative numbers, negative 5, negative 4 and so on. 0 is also an integer, so on. Rational numbers are any number which can be written as a fraction. For example, 1/3 is a rational number, or 0.5 is a rational number, or 2 is a rational number. Q is used to express a set of rational numbers. Rational, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. These are all very common sets in maths. Now we can also have the set of irrational numbers, and they can't be written as a fraction. So for example, pi, or any square root which doesn't simplify, for example square root of 2, square root of 3, these ones are irrational. Irrational numbers and rational numbers belong to the set of real numbers. Now real numbers are the most common set of numbers we use. These include rational and irrational numbers. And the set of real numbers is written by R. Now there is another set of complex numbers, C, complex numbers. But we're not going to deal with complex numbers just now. We're going to deal with them later on in outcome 3. Now we're going to use a lot of set notation, and the symbol E, this means belongs to, or is a member of. And E, scored out, means does not belong to. Or is not a member of. For example, the number pi is 3.14 and so on. This one is irrational, so it means it cannot be expressed as a fraction, so it doesn't belong to the set of rational numbers. Q is the symbol that we use for rational numbers. And we can say that pi is not a member of Q. So pi doesn't belong to the set of rational numbers. We can say the number 2, for example, belongs to the set of integers, z, or 2 belongs to the set of natural numbers. 2 also belongs to the set of whole numbers. So that's how we use the symbol that looks like an E, or a scored out E. Also have to deal with the empty set. So if there are no numbers at all in a set, you can write this using curly brackets with nothing inside. Or you could write it as a 0 scored out.